Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Brr Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without having to sell your kidneys. Today, we're diving into the sky-high world of drones. On the left, we have the Ruko F11PRO, also known as the flying tank. And on the right, we have the ATTOP Drone, affectionately called the budget bird. Let's see which one will make you the king of the skies and which one will leave you grounded. First up, let's talk about the dough, the moolah, the cold hard cash. The Ruko F11PRO will set you back a cool $389. Yep, almost $400. But hey, it's FAA compliant, so at least you won't get arrested for flying it. On the other hand, the ATTOP Drone is a mere $109. That's right, folks, for the price of a fancy dinner date, you can own a drone. So if you're on a budget, the ATTOP Drone is the clear winner. But remember, you get what you pay for. Next, let's talk about capturing those Instagram-worthy aerial shots. The Ruko F11PRO boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 120 degrees FOV lens and 90 degrees adjustable angle. It's like having a mini Hollywood camera in the sky. Meanwhile, the ATTOP Drone comes with a 1080p camera and a 120 degrees FOV. Not bad, but not exactly Spielberg material. So if you want to see every leaf on that tree or every zit on your friend's face, the Ruko F11PRO is your go-to. Reviewers have praised the Ruko F11PRO for its clear camera quality, while the ATTOP Drone is noted for being decent but not spectacular. Alright, time to see how long these bad boys can stay in the air. The Ruko F11PRO offers a whopping 60 minutes of flight time with its two powerful batteries. That's an entire hour of buzzing around, annoying your neighbors. The ATTOP Drone, however, gives you 30 minutes with its 3 batteries. Not shabby, but it's basically the drone equivalent of a lunch break. So if you're in it for the long haul, the Ruko F11PRO takes the crown. Reviewers have noted the impressive flight time of the Ruko F11PRO, while the ATTOP Drone is considered satisfactory for shorter flights. Now, let's talk about how easy these drones are to fly. The Ruko F11PRO is like the Tesla of drones. It has beginner settings, follow me mode, tap fly, and even hand gesture shots. It's practically begging you to make epic YouTube videos. The ATTOP Drone, on the other hand, offers one key return, altitude hold, and some fun features like 360 degrees flips and voice control. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Small but packed with features. So if you're a newbie, either one will do, but the Ruko F11PRO might make you feel like a pro pilot faster. Reviewers have praised the Ruko F11PRO for its user-friendly features, while the ATTOP Drone is noted for being easy to operate and fun for beginners. Last but not least, let's talk about durability. The Ruko F11PRO comes with a level 6 wind resistance and an aluminum alloy casing. This thing could probably survive a tornado. The ATTOP Drone is more like a delicate flower. It's foldable and comes with a carrying case. But I wouldn't recommend testing its durability by crashing it into a tree. So if you're planning on flying in a hurricane, go with the Ruko F11PRO. Reviewers have highlighted the Ruko F11PRO's exceptional build quality and resilience, while the ATTOP Drone has mixed reviews regarding its durability, with some users experiencing malfunctions and others finding it adequate for casual use. Reviewers are generally impressed with the Ruko F11PRO, praising its build quality, camera clarity, and long flight time. The ATTOP Drone, while affordable and fun for beginners, has mixed reviews, with some users experiencing malfunctions and others enjoying its ease of use and features. So there you have it, folks. The Ruko F11PRO is like the Rolls-Royce of drones, expensive but packed with features and built like a tank. The ATTOP drone is the budget-friendly option, perfect for beginners and those who don't want to break the bank. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.